had a vague dream about you last night. That.
Terrifying sentence. Go on.
Nice. Oh, fucking timed that well.
Sai?
That was to you, Z.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I thought you just made fun
Good
of
girl.
me. No.
Next. Casper, you're so sexy. Let me bounce.
That's crazy.
No! Casper, you're so sexy. Let me bounce. Can someone put that starboard?
Actually, I said let me bounce on it.
Yeah.
Casper, you're so sexy. Let me bounce.
Nice. Backside. Oh. Planting. Heaven. And stairs. Last one stairs.
What? Okay, fine.
We won it.
No, it's the way fucking your ran.
How did I die from you again, Z?
We are the Glen Guards.
I've got nothing against Glenn.
Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Stop resisting!
He's got a gun!
Yeah.
Stop resisting!
Only gonna is in my pants. I can show you if you want.
Oh my god, we did it!
98%. Ooh, 98%. Ooh.
Ooh, kill yourself, kill yourself, kill yourself. Ooh, I'm gonna abandon you! Woo!
Oh, what the fuck?
Come here, Matthew.
Stranger danger! Like, stop. Please, stop. I've done nothing. No, please, I'm sorry. No, please. Say it, can't try.
My fucking core.
That you picked them. What did I do?
Look at what they have in their hands! They haven't
What did
done
he
it.
just say?
He's fucking.
They-
He's taken out.
they have a stop sign!
I do not. He's tweaking out.
It's funny watching Joe Biden react to this in real time as
I'm
well.
going to turn them off. I'll turn it off. This fucking gimp fucking hit me with a fucking stop sign.
I don't have a stop sign.
Yeah, press 1,
Okay.
press 2, press 3. Oh wait, yeah, see! No one's looked!
This is nothing.
I believe you, baby girl.
Woo!
I don't have it. I'm so sorry, team.
It's all good.
Yeah. Talking to the moon.
What's that?
Is it a drill remix? I'm actually. What do I do?
I'm gonna go watch more Boys because I mean The Boys, not just watching children. No, yeah. There's a cave over here.
Guys?
So I'm gonna go check down there.
Stop!
Yes,
He just fell in the hole.
fucking right. I said someone go check down there and he walked down.
Fuck's sake.
Playing with Liar.
Take another shot, Z.
Damn. He did you dirty, Z.
Matthew, I'm actually gonna kill you in real life.
Chances.
Ooh.
Harder, darling.
Don't let this guy rage bait you. Him of all people.
My hands are up. Oh man, we made it out safely. I hope nothing bad happens.
Look at my cables.
Hey Cypher, do you want to trade?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, I didn't mean guns, but okay.
Oh.
What did you want to trade?
Hold on.
Anyway.
Come
Huh?
back. Hold on.
No.
Okay.
No, no, no,
I won.
Score!
Don't you dare, you didn't jump either, did you? Oh, for fuck's sake.
Wow. Not opened my Snapchat in 28 minutes.
You still use Snapchat? That's kinda cringe.
Only for Cathler.
Uh-huh. Talking to underage boys, Steph.
What the fuck? That was so uncalled for.
So unprovoked.
But no.
Great minds think alike, Jet.
What the?
Holy fuck.
What was that?
Are you
Can
communicating
it
from
be
the
or
90s,
your mic
80s?
is broke?
Jeez.
Yeah, come here. Duck, come here.
I already won when you looked at me.
I suppose maybe immediately I'm going for a wank and I'm not coming back.
Tell God I charge extra.
Oh, right, I'll see you later.
No, 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 no.
Request approved. Reinforcements have been launched.
Oh my god. Jin.
Oh.
Here I am.
No, you're in the fog for me.
Can I just say that? I have a raging hard on for that shot you just done.
Right? Me too.
No, like I saw it and I heard it and it just, the chub went up.
That's disgusting.
Day? Okay, just checking.
Hello.
Oh.
Boo-boo. We want our pull back. 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 We want our pull back.
The fuck is that on the right?
It's a lizard, mate, come on.
Matthew's maw. Oh, you meant the lizard, my bad.
Crazy! Stop it. When I was 6 years old, I broke my leg. I'm gonna touch myself, then my friends. Was. When I was 6 years old, I touched myself.
I was shagging my brother and his friends.
That's fine.
Mate. Just because you had two aces, that's fucking... that's gay.
the whole...
Let play.
Okay.
Let play.
Wait, where's...
No. It's a part. It's a plane no Scott.
Wait, okay, Killjoy, our Sage can do a really good score shot thing.
A really good what, sorry?
Scottish accent.
Right, go then.
It's really good.
No.
No, come on, you gotta do it now.
No.
After Jet's just
That's fun.
hyped you up, you got to come on, please, for me.
Ooh, nice. Look matching.
So
Yes.
I'll give you it if you do the Scottish accent.
The arcade one.
Do it, do it, do it.
Nice. I'm so sad I didn't
Come
buy
on,
that.
come on, do it. Come on, please.
She's doing it at Disco right now. I think she just hates you.
That's crazy.
I'm not. He's
During
lying.
Pride Month, during
He's
Pride
lying.
Month is crazy.
I'm being I'm being bullied.
No means no, Matthew, so that makes you a sexual predator.
I can smell you.
Oh, guys, I think I should quit the esports team. I'm doing so bad.
many brain cells figure in the mouth.
Had another drug scandal.
Overthinking is just as bad as under.
Had another drug scandal, did you say?
Yeah, I saw that.
No, it's fine.
Oh,
30 seconds.
there's no way.
Yeah!
I got scared.
I thought you were gonna lose it all there, John.
I think I want you in me.
I don't like this. I want to save now.
Watch Matthew's face cam. Turn the lights off and watch his face cam.
I want a boba.
I know that you include yourself, Matthew. Did you?
Fucking hell. Ah!